guys, today we're going to be drawing our favorite cats from our favorite movies. We're going to be drawing Marie today. So first we're going to be drawing just a simple head. Then we're going to be drawing some ears. Then a body. And some feet. Pause, 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 pause. Now we're going to be drawing her eyes. My doll looks like this, of Marie. I'm just copying her. Then she has a kind of circular nose with a smile. And I'm going to be doing some ear. I'm going to do her iconic big bow. And guys, this is how it turned out. Pretty good, right? And now this is how it turned out. Pretty good, right? For a 6-year-old. Now we're gonna be coloring it. Decide on your colors before. Got my color. Okay, now we're just gonna color in simple things. You can always pause the video if I'm going too fast. Marie is all purred up. Do a light pencil pressure if you want to make cheeks. If you don't have colored pencils, then you can use markers, crayons, whatever you want. I'm using pencil because I think it will look really good with pencil. It's okay if you color outside the lines. This is my trick. I just color outside and it looks furry kind of-ish. And Maria's all done. You can add a background or anything. I just made mine like this. Bye-bye.